Looking to get away from it all but still have the amenities of a neighborhood? This well-kept contemporary offers complete privacy on a 1.21-acre lot on a quiet cul-de-sac. Inside, enjoy an easy open floor plan west/great room access to your deck and year-round sunroom overlooking a private backyard oasis. The eat-in kitchen has tiled floor and 2 pantries. The office has hardwood floors and built-ins. The oversized master suite will surely please with expansive master closet, tiled master bath and even a balcony. There are 2 more roomy bedrooms and full bath west/jetted tub on the 2nd floor. The basement has outdoor access and includes the washer and dryer, utility sink, dehumidifier and water softener. Many recent upgrades include new point well and new roof, gutters and downspouts. Showings start Saturday, June 5th.